If you want a job in data science in 2026, you need a project that stands out. And nothing beats a project that is verified the government of India. Here, the UIDAI data hackathon is live and we'll talk about it in detail. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and to like the video. Also share it among your peers who need this hackathon to upskill their career. Now coming to the hackathon page, and if you don't know what is UIDAI, you must be having, if you are from India, Aadhaar card. Yes, it is the same company which creates Aadhaar cards and stores your data. So here it's a government website and you're participating in a government hackathon. So here, first of all, we'll talk about what is the hackathon about it. So the hackathon is currently live and they are asking for a solutions on fraud detection and predictive analysis. So this is your ticket to stand out portfolio and let's break down the participation criteria. So the contest is open for any student enrolled in any Indian institute and university. So this event is solely for the Indian participants. For other country participants, do not worry. I'll cover next event for all of you. Now you must be at least 18 years of age till 1st of January 2026. If you are having 17th, then you cannot take part in it. So make sure anyone who is 18 plus and who is at least 18 years of age by 1st January 2026, they can surely take part in it. Now here participants can participate as individually. Many people like to be solo. So they can participate individually also. Or if you want to form a team, you can form a team also having different skill sets so that you will be getting a maximum set of people who are having different qualifications and skill set. So it will help you and decrease the workload. And here there are maximum team members you can have up to 5 members, including the team lead. Now here, as it is a government hackathon, you need to submit your and all the participants a government ID, okay, along the team members for the project submission so that it is actually authenticated that you are a real person, because many people participate with multiple accounts and it is also not a good practice. Now here, how you have to register, first of all, we'll talk about the registration criteria. But let me first of all tell you about the challenges. What is the challenge about it? Then we'll move forward to the next thing. So here, this is the first hackathon, which is live. That is the UIDAI data hackathon. So we are live on that only. So here, problem statement. Okay. So here you'll be given a problem statement based on the meaningful patterns, trends, anomalies, and you have to just develop solution frameworks and solution which can support the decision making and system improvement. So if you are totally in data science, then it will help you a lot. Coming to the submissions and expectations. Okay, so here you'll be provided a problem statement and approach. You have to just check out it and work on it. After that, here, whatever data set you are using for building it, you have to just share it. And you must use the Aadhaar enrollment or update data set provided by the UIDAI. So all the things will be provided to you once you registered. Do not worry, you'll be getting guidance also from them. Now coming to the next thing, what are the prices will come over here. So you can see the first prize is 2 lakh rupees. Second prize is 1.5 lakh rupees. Third prize is 75,000, 50,000, and similarly 25,000 for the fifth prize. And I think everyone will be awarded the certificates. Okay, so let's come over here to the FAQ section. So the purpose of hackathon is to help you to learn new things. Also, it will help them to build their data set. Anyone can take part in it and participants can have up to 5 members. And if you, many people try to do this trick, they have mentioned already, like you cannot be in a two team. Okay, two different team, you cannot be in two different team, means single person cannot participate in two teams, and the employees are not allowed to participate, and one can register how things are mentioned over here. The timeline of the hackathon will be a total 15 days, so you can just check it. And what data? They will be providing you enrollment data, demographic data, and biometric data. You have to work on it. Okay. And another thing is that you have to just submit one consolidated PDF, okay, which are the details will be provided to you. If you still face any issue, you can let me know. And here you can see all these things are mentioned over here. So the next query is that providing false information. So make sure you provide the actual information like your original name, not any random name like code name many people are having. You have to provide whatever is printed on your Aadhaar card so that you are eligible for the prizes also. Even though if you win any your entries are incorrect, you won't be eligible for the prizes. So here you can see all these things I have already covered, and let's come to the event directly. So how to register for the event? Okay, how to register for the event? You have to simply just come over here. Let me just show you. So here you have to just come to the challenge page. Okay, here you can see the Jan Parichit site. So here you have to simply open it on a new tab. Okay, and here are multiple methods to just sign in. You can use your login username and password. You can use the login password of the DigiLocker. Simple, just like we register in any event, you have to do. And once you are registered, you will be redirected to the event site, and here you have to just fill all the details. Now here the all the things are done. After that, you have to verify yourself, your email ID and OTP will be sent. And here some important things are that if you have any query, you can reach out to them. So basically it's a data science hackathon. You'll be provided a demographic data, all the data like including biometric data. You have to work on it and you'll be rewarded if you win this. So problem statement, you already know. You have to just work on the framework and help the system. Okay, help them. Means simple ones, you have to detect the anomaly patterns and fix them and help them how you can fix it. Okay, it's simple a data science hackathon and cyber security hackathon, you can say. So this was a quick thing I wanted to share. If you still have any query, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.